Welcome to this tutorial on understanding Zopa savings accounts. Zopa is a UK-based peer-to-peer lender that offers a range of savings accounts with competitive interest rates. To get started, it is essential to understand the key concepts and features of Zopa savings accounts. Firstly, Zopa savings accounts are peer-to-peer lending products, which means your money is lent to individuals or businesses, and in return you earn interest on your investment. Zopa offers a range of accounts including fixed-term savings accounts and easy-access accounts. When opening a Zopa savings account, you will need to provide personal and financial information to verify your identity and eligibility. You will also need to deposit a minimum amount of money to open the account. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on the type of account you choose. Once your account is open, you can manage it online or through the Zopa mobile app. You can deposit and withdraw money as needed and track the interest you earn on your investment. Zopa also provides a range of tools and resources to help you make informed decisions about your savings. One of the key benefits of Zopa savings accounts is the competitive interest rates on offer. Zopa interest rates are often higher than those offered by traditional banks and building societies. However, it is essential to understand that Zopa savings accounts are not protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which means your money is at risk if the borrowers default on their loans. To minimize this risk, Zopa has a number of measures in place, including a provision fund which provides a buffer against bad debt. Zopa also diversifies your investment across a range of loans to reduce the risk of default. In terms of best practices, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of your Zopa savings account before opening it. You should also make sure you understand the risks and rewards of peer-to-peer lending and consider your own financial goals and circumstances before investing. It is also a good idea to start with a small investment and gradually increase it as you become more comfortable with the platform. Finally, you should regularly review your account and adjust your investment as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals. In conclusion, understanding Zopa savings accounts requires a clear understanding of the key concepts and features of peer-to-peer lending. By following these steps and best practices, you can make informed decisions about your savings and earn competitive interest rates on your investment. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and consider your own financial goals and circumstances before investing.